side and we'll kick it back and forth. So we'll stay in the shade because it's so much better for her. Don't let it go out of bounds. Whoa! Get it. Come on, you gotta get it. Get ready to kick it, Caden. Get ready. No, Roxy. Roxy.
I want her to save the mouth.
Whoa! Kick it, Caden. Woo! Good one. Kick it again. Kick it again.
Kick it over
like
down.
soccer. Get it.
I kicked it all the way to the hammock.
Yeah, that was a good catch.
And it went up in the air and landed.
Okay, get ready to kick it, Caden.
Can I have it, Roxy?
Go get it.
Roxy, Roxy. Let me have the ball. Roxy. Sorry, Roxy. I kicked her right in the face.
Who'd you kick in the face?
Roxy.
The dog?
Nah,
Yeah.
you missed her. I should have my shoes on because there's prickers. Woo! That was a good one. Get it, Caden. She's pretty quick. She's probably hard to get, huh? Get it, Caden. Kick it, Caden.
Come on, Roxy, bring it back. Come on, girl. Come on.
Good girl. Good girl. No, no, no. She's okay.
Get the wrong ball. Silly dog. Caden, go get that pink ball.
Get ready, Caden. Kick it. Kick it. Wow, that was a great kick. Wow.
I think she's done with, oh.
Yeah, it's too
It
hot.
bumped right into my dad.
You sure did.
We hold my glasses for a minute.
Yeah, sure enough.
I'm going to go put them in the pocket.
Good idea.
I won't use them.
There you go. Oh, did you see that?
I did.
What?
Crazy dog.
What
She
happened?
jumped in the air.
With 2 legs?